I mean, taxes, have been crazy too.
The losses from not knowing how to run the taxes properly.
Yeah, I will thank God that we didn't have to, taxes weren't officially a thing in crypto until 2021.
Yeah.
But in 2018, I probably lost 110, 120 grand.
Yeah.
So
at least
we actually know a guy that IRS came, knocked on his door, to his bank actually, closed his account, took money that he owed out for what he bought in crypto. So that's scary.
Oh, I don't.
Well, I'll tell you off.
Okay,
off
someone you know. All right.
But
I was like,
you're right. If you're not cognizant of what's happening with your taxes and crypto, you got to be on point.
Yeah.
Especially nowadays.
And this is why we tell buy and hold, because most people aren't in a country that doesn't have income. United States is pretty hardcore with income tax. I mean, it really, really is.
They don't play, bro.
They don't play. So the best thing we can tell people, because I have tons of my buddies and friends that have moved to Puerto Rico for all the tax benefits, but it's a huge move. It's better if you're single, right? It's better if you're single, man. You got the Latina honeys down there, right?
BBC gang.
BBC gang, right?
Let's go.
But there's a lot of, Puerto Rico's a crypto hub, but you have to move there, and you have to, so the contracts are usually 3 years. You have to spend a year and a half and 1 day living on the island for the contract to actually manifest, so you can get that tax savings. If they catch you you're spending 2 years straight in Miami and you haven't spent any time in Puerto Rico, you're going to pay back taxes on anything that you should have been paying already.
So I had the question of, let's say someone's working their ass off.
Get your questions in now too, by the way, guys. Miguel and Charlie we're gonna do a Q&A at the end for you ninjas. So get your questions in, super chat them in, fnfsuperchat.com or cheer bits. We got y'all. Or Rumble Rant.
Yeah. We're also going to be matching your subs as well at
Twitch is matching gifts, so it looks like Twitch is matching gifts gift subs. So Tony,
that's normal. That's normal.
Yeah.
So real quick, if I'm busy with work, school, maybe I got a lot of stuff going on, I don't have time to sit there all day and study.
Right.
Is there a one-on-one or a walkthrough you can help me with what to buy off rip?
Yes. So we have this is the important thing. So when you sign up, you get added to a chat group, and we have 6 pre-recorded webinars of helping you how to get started, and from there we'll have intro courses. Every class that we do that's live is recorded. So if for some reason you can't make it, you will get a lot of help out, right? Now, if there's sometimes special cases where someone's very, very busy, me and Charlie do one-on-one consultations. We'll only be doing one-on-one consultations with people in the course during when they're active, and we'll help a lot of people. You can at Dollar Cost Crypto or at Charlie or at Cultivate Crypto on the chat, and we're just always answering questions. We have a ton of alumni in there that are answering questions, and it's just a really great resource. But yeah, usually the way I think I would recommend is just stick to simple. Simple, keep it simple, stupid strategies is, have 30-40% of the portfolio in Ethereum or Bitcoin, whatever's your favorite. And then from there, just get a couple of L1s, something that you could sell on exchanges very easily, and then put it in your wallet. Some Ethereum, some Solana, some Phantom, maybe some Pulse Chain, maybe a little bit of Fetch AI.
I was watching this show 4 to 5 years ago. All my kids have a $12,000 bag mix of BTC, ETH,
That's a good dad.
I have the utmost confidence that my kids and grandkids will be all right. Charlie and Miguel gave me that security.
Hey.
Respect, guys. Can't thank you enough.
Hey, shout
Real
out to Charlie.
well.
I'm going to give y'all a round of applause. Changing people's lives, bro.
And you want generational wealth?
And just so you guys know, these are students that are coming in here that are sending in these chats saying, yo, these guys changed my life, etc. So they're coming in here. No, you don't hear nobody, oh, these guys are scammers, blah, blah. Bro, if you do the work, there's no way you're not going to be profitable.
Also, we've been offered a bunch of money to bring other people on, but we said no.
Fuck that shit.
We said no.
We've worked with Charlie Miguel from the beginning, and we're going to continue to work with them. They're the only crypto people we will ever work with because they get guys results, man. They make them money. We got Jonathan H. again. He goes, how do I get over my ex-colleagues surpassing me in terms of success? Let's call them Michael and Carlos WFNF. So, okay, actually, hold on. Perfect question.
No way, bro. No way.
Nah, come on.
That's funny. Well, you give up, bro, and just go back to sleep. That's it.
I will say this, whether you're trolling or not, for those that are watching this, here, I'll give you guys a perfect example. We just mentioned that FaZe and them did a huge subathon and blew up, right? They did huge numbers. And I looked at that and I was like, wait, we could fucking do that too. Motivated me, inspired me. We can do that too. So you can look at it as like a hater, right? And get jealous and just sit there and be a little bitch. Or you could be like, I can fucking do that too, and put the work in. So it's up to you how you react to people's success. You can either sit there and complain about it and cry about it and say, well, you know, they're successful because X, Y, Z and make excuses. Or you can say, no, I can fucking do that shit too, and use it as fuel to compete and do just as good, if not better.
Also, everyone has their timing. It may not be your time yet, but you put in the work and consistency with the right people, it's gonna happen eventually. So right now, it's not your timing, bro. That's all.
Put in the work.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, we have some more chats here. Spent his money to diversify into 3 different ways.
Right.
Van, crypto, and Amazon. And sorry, 4 ways. And YouTube automation. Okay, brother. What I would say is don't put everything spread out at the beginning. Focus on one thing, hold on to that at the beginning, and once it's set up foundationally and it's good to go, then move on to the next thing.
Yeah.
So what you're doing here is what you call diversification, but at the very beginning it's not a good take to have unless you're built on one thing.
Right.
What'd you say to that?
Yeah, you got to be really all in the beginning. Like, I mean, like
Just not all in at one time.
At one time.
Dollar cost crypto is for a reason. Yeah.
Right, I'm dollar cost crypto. But it's, you know, if you already have your, like, let's just say you already have a 9-to-5 job, or you have your job ready, or your business set up ready, this is where dollar cost averaging really works, because you are dollar cost averaging now. Okay, got this income source right. I'm focusing on it 9 to 5, 9 to 10. But the rest of the time, you know, I'm starting to put the money I've earned from this job or this business into crypto. That's what I did. But if you don't have a job and you don't have a business, you need to get the income in. Yeah. How else are you going to invest? I mean, if all you have is 10K and you put it all into crypto, you'll make some money, but what are you going to do in the meantime?
Also, this is 4 different industries.
Ventures, yeah.
Right.
Crypto itself is crypto.
Yeah.
So that's different.
So
than
learn one at a time, right? Like, get the knowledge base of this one, then this one, you know, and like allocate that money as it comes. But yeah, I mean, the markets do move fast, so like, you know, you have to kind of be quick.
And I wish you luck on that Amazon stuff, because that is not easy. A lot of people are doing it.
Yeah, the good thing is Casey holds your hand as well.
Yeah.
But also their courses, so his course. But to be real, bro, focus on one thing at a time, man. For sure, for you, bro. Bretta 1. One more car, so I'll still Uber, so no worries on that. Yeah,
oh, cool. Okay,
cool.
Good. Yeah.
That's his base at least. Mile Boy, Miguel and Charlie, should I be in Citadel or CastleClub Premium? I just want to stick to one subscription. Are you giving the same knowledge in CastleClub Premium, or just a part of it?
Just, I mean, it depends on what people ask us, to be honest. So, obviously, you know, for us, right, the Citadel is our own product. It's our monthly subscription. We're going to be focused ourselves on that. But we like coming into the CastleClub, giving extra information, and basically, you know, doing stuff there. Either way, I think you're going to win, right? You can be in either, and you're going to do really well. There's a lot of people in CastleClub who are really, really into crypto, right? Like, we had some of the best questions asked during the CastleClub, I don't know, webinar or whatever we want to call.
Saturday.
Yeah, whatever.
And guys, we're going to post that actual call tonight. Noble's going to do that for us.
Nice.
And that was a very long call, by the way.
Right. Yeah, a couple hours. So yeah, I mean, like, you know, you can't go wrong with either. It's like CastleClub, you get on top of, you know, what, like, basically, if you're just like, okay, I want to be like as deep as possible in crypto, right? Then yeah, come over to the Citadel. But, you know, I would say, to be honest, the CastleClub, you know, is a very wide-ranging thing. So if you want, you know, dating stuff on top of it and other stuff that you guys do in there, then, you know, it's going to be a little bit more diversified. So it just depends on, you know, if you want to go like super crypto nerd, or if you want to go, you know, outside of that.
If you want to hyper focus in crypto, the Citadel. But if you're switching between men, women, I mean, you're you know, whether picking up chicks or, you know, money, and kind of get the whole game up set up right, I would definitely do CastleClub.
Yeah. Okay. Robert Tool says, "Yo, Myron and Fresh, what happened to the Discord link Saturday? I was trying to watch, but the link didn't work. Also in the CMC. The link was sent out as well. If you have